Hello and welcome to my channel Kitty Cat. Today we're gonna talk about the cats who gave birth and what should we do after that. So after your cat gives birth, it's really important to keep a close eye on her and her kittens to make sure they're all happy and thriving. Your cat will naturally provide her kittens with all their needs. So try to keep your distance and if you can, so she can settle into motherhood. After your cat has given birth, you will need to keep the room so she and her kittens are in warm. Make sure the bedding is kept clean and dry. Keep the room there in quiet and don't allow family members to keep disturbing her. And also you need to keep an eye on the kittens to make sure they are feeding, but try to keep a distance and your cat is comfortable with. And it's important to know to keep other pets away from your cat and her kittens. Another point is make sure the kittens are feeding. This should start almost immediately after birth, and if they haven't started after half an hour, gently guide them. And if you're worried at all, call your vet as they can advise you. So your cat's behavior after birth. Most cats will take to mothering their kittens very naturally, and you might notice your cat 1. Licking her newborn kittens, nuzzling them and purring. 2. Moving her kittens if she feels unsafe for any reason, or if where she currently is isn't warm enough for her, she may choose to move her kittens. Don't stop her from doing this. Instead, try to provide a quiet, comfortable and warm area for her to move. And number 3 is behaving differently towards you. As we know, cats are very protective of their kittens, so she might prefer you to keep your distance at first. For sure, a slight change in behavior is normal for your cat after she has given birth, but she will settle after a few weeks. Sometimes your cat's behavior is cause of concern, and this is when you'll want to give your vet a call. And some things to look out for include severe disturbance, constant interruptions or pain can cause the queen to kill her offspring. If the queen seems to ignore or reject one of her kittens, putting some of the birthing fluids in the kitten may help her to accept them. The question is, when can we touch the cat's newborn kittens? At first, it's usually best to avoid touching your cat's newborn kittens if you can. She will be very protective over them and might not want you to touch. So it's best to respect her space unless something is wrong. Sometimes handling newborns too much can cause their mother to reject them.